Okay, hello everybody. We are going through the Catia tests for the Aerospace Engineering International School of Engineering. Now let's get started quickly. Let's open Catia. I'm not gonna waste any of your time because I know this is your final exam and it's gonna take you have less time to study now. So there's 1.5 hour allowed, total marks 100 points. Let's get started. The first question, oh, Catia's blocking. The first question is, let me check my sound. Okay, my sound's working. The first question is, they want you to link parameters to Excel file. Now, you can do it many ways, but here's how I would do it. I'm gonna make start, mechanic design, part design. Once you're in part design, you want to create the sketch first because it's easier to link that way. Now, what you need to submit, let me just open Word so I can go through one by one, and Excel because we need Excel. Now, I will create a blank workbook first, just to go step by step and create the parameters. Length, width, and height. 60, 80, and 120. Now, what we need to do first in Catia is, after that, we go to part design, mechanical design, part design. Part 1, part 2, anything you want. Now, we go to tools, option. Make sure it is in the unit the question wants, which is millimeters. If not, you can just change it here. Go to tools, customize. This is to ensure all your workbench is available. Go to toolbars, select standard, restore all content, and restore all positions. Click close. Now we want to create the sketch. Click here to create the sketch, and click on the axis you want to create the sketch on. This doesn't specify, but I will always go with the horizontal sketch. I will create a box according to the question. As you can see, I have auto constraint enabled here. Automatic dimensional constraint creation. Now this allows you easier workflow in that it creates constraints for you automatically in shape that are defined, such as circles or rectangles. Now I want to link the name here. Oops. If this happens, you just click over here. It will give you back the workbench. Go to sketch, geometry. And you want to click on the constraint. Offset. You want to rename it to something you know. Length, feature properties, and rename it length. Go to offset. Properties. Just want to name width. And then next, you want to make it padded. Now you click on the pad button. Just how much is okay. And you want to constrain it so you can make the constraint. Now, the pad length is different. You need to go to sketch, pad, go to pad constraint. Yeah, this one. Properties. You call this the box pad. More. Click on the sketch, geometry, everything is set. We have the width, the length, and we want to constrain the height of the pad. Now, how do we do this? We go to the sorry. We'll go to the part design here, and we have the table, design table. We click on the design table. Make sure you save this Excel file first. Save as. I'll save it to my PC. Download, book 1. Place my old file. Yes. Now we have it here. I want to create, and you click here, okay? If you can't, I'm going to find you. Click on this button here. We want to make the design table called box parameters.xlsx. I want to click on create a design table from a pre-existing files. Now, this is why is this? Because we already have a file with the design values in it. I want to make it horizontal because we have the files horizontally. The values is after the name. Click OK. Click on book 1 that we created. Do you want to automatically associate columns to the design table and parameters that have the same name? Yes. Now click on association. You can see there's 3 values now in the columns. I want to associate 3 things. First is the width. Click on the width and click on the width over here in the columns. This side is the Excel. You link it. Next is the length. You want to link it to the length also associate. However, the height, we need to select it from the box pad. Hence, okay. I want to select, as you remember, the padding. Where's the padding? Here. We double click it. Oop. Properties. Now, millimeters. Make sure to put the units in. Okay. Now, we want to link the pad. Second limit. Oh, yep, it's has been modified. It means it links correctly. Want to link the pad, which I will click on the box pad or search it here. Second limit length, because the first limit is 0. It is the opposite side. We want the side that we created to be linked to the height associated, and then apply it. Okay, let's update it. Now we have this. If you want to see the sketch, we just click on the sketch. You can see it's linked. Now, I can change the width to maybe 120 and then save. It will be updated. Wait for it. Wait for a while. Or I could wait for a while, it will be updated. But it takes a while. Okay, here it is. It's updated. Now, once I update, you see the width increase. Let's try that. Let's try it to the next parameters. The length is 150. The width is 90. And the height, the height is, let's just make it 100. And then save, Control S. Wait for it to update. There it is. It's updated. You can see everything is up to date. Now, what do you want to do? Want to check the padding? Oh, my bad. I need to make it to the first limit, not the second limit. Let's make it 0. Yeah, okay. So the second limit will change according to this one, meaning that it will go down the bottom. If you want to make it correct, or it's the same, it's correct either way, but you can also limit it to first limit also. So if you choose the second limit in the parameters in the table, where is it? Here. Box parameters. If you link it to the first limit, I need to update it. If you link it to the first limit, it's gonna be linked to this side of things. If it's linked to the second limit, it's gonna be linked to going from top to bottom. If you link it to the first limit, it's going to from bottom to top. That's just it. Let's update. Okay, we got it. Okay, we got it. Next question. Okay, we want to download this Google Drive link. I will download it and be right back. Okay, I have downloaded the files. Next, I will be opening the files in Catia. Files, open. Download, assembly one. If this appears, you want to desk it. By desking, we need to select the files from the files we had to allow it to point to the correct path. Now this, you can see it's missing something. Now we don't care about this one. We unload this. We don't care about this also. We close this, but we care about this. This is the thing we worked on before. We can just close this. Now we want to link the click frame parts. We click right click. Fine. I downloaded it. Yeah, I downloaded it. Yeah, I downloaded it. Let me see again. Yeah, I downloaded it. It's in the models. Why is it in models part? All parts, all type. Okay. Click frame model. Here it is. Okay, he gave us the wrong file types. Gosh. Let me change the file type here. If I open it. Yeah, it's in models file. If I file save as. Okay, we go into this issue. Go to start, mechanical design, part design. And then you import the parts. Or you could, let me try fix it real quick, okay? Because he gave us the wrong file type. So I will try to fix it. Okay, we actually cannot do this question because the professor have gave us the wrong file type, but I will still show you how to do it with my own thing anyway. Let me open some old Catia files I have. Maybe, okay, let's do it with my assembly, with my WinFab hinge. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to open the files and I will do it with this one instead. Then I want to apply aluminum to all three parts using Catia material library. I will go to each part. Let's go to this part first. I'll click on here, apply material, and click on aluminum, apply. You can see aluminum is applied. If you cannot see it, go over here. Here, click on this one, and then select the question mark thing. Make sure the shading is enabled, and select two materials. Now I want to do the same thing to all three parts. I will click on apply material, aluminum, apply it. Next, I want to find the center of gravity and principal moment of inertia. I want to do this for the each part. Now I will click on each part and click here. You can see after clicking here, you can see the inertia, the location of the inertia, and the center of gravity, and the density, volume, area, mass, every single thing. If you click on another part, it will measure that part. You can see it changed. If you click on here, in the tree, you can select the whole assembly. See, it measures for the whole assembly. Click OK. Change the materials to steel. You click the whole thing. Apply material. Change it to steel. Here, apply material. You got it? Now let's move on to the next one. Oh, not the Google Drive link again. Okay, let's open the models. Let's hopefully that this one is correct. Okay, it's in cat part. That's hopeful. I downloaded it. Okay, let's go back here. I want to files, open, download, and then the assembly that I just downloaded. Where is it? Here, the cat pod that I downloaded. It's not an assembly, it's a cat pod. Okay, now what I want to do is create an ISO A3 sheet format to insert the following view: font, top, right, and isometric. How do I do this? I will go to start and I will go to mechanical design. I'll go to drafting. Click on it. I want to create a standard sheet. Modify. Click on modify. Standard ISO as specified and H3 ISO. I'll click on landscape and OK. I'll click on OK. An empty document. Now I want to go to here. View creation wizard. Click on this. I want to create this one. Bottom front left. Click on next. What's the unit in? It's fine, unit is fine. Now I will click on this after clicking next, the isometric view, and I will place it next to all three elements. I'll click finish. Next, I will close this tab. I will click on this. Wait a minute, let me close all the old file so it doesn't bug my system. Okay, here. I will click on one face. Oh, I need to click on the create thing again. Create. Be sure to leave it open so you can click it. Do it the same thing. Isometric. Finish. Okay. Oh, have generative design on. Okay, if you encounter this problem, go to Tools, Option. Disable this in the drafting. Go to Administration. Disable. Click on Prevent Generative View Style Usage. Click OK. Now, there will be nothing blocking you from making the sketch. Click on it again. Next. Automatic view. Finish. You will click on the part. Now you can see it works out. You will select the front view, or you could use the compass to move it. However, according to you that you want. The blue compass should appear. Now, if you are satisfied, click on it. Everything is set. Now, let's create all the parameters. This is gonna take long. I will create all the linear dimensions first. So, it's a little bit too big, so I will make it smaller. I'll make the things a little bit scale a little bit smaller. Okay, how do I make the scale smaller? Go to the sheet, right click, properties, adjust the scale. I want to make it maybe 3:1. Let's see. Nope, that's too big. 1:3, 1:5. Did we find? Yep, everything is fine now. Click OK. I will adjust the views a bit to make it closer. Okay. Let's put this down. This up a bit. And it's all in the sheets now. Let's move it a bit so it's in the middle. Zoom in. Okay, we got everything. I think 1:4 should work. Let me try 1:4. Okay, 1:4 works. Now, I will zoom in. I will create the dimensions for everything. Now, how do we create the dimensions? We go here. I want to create the dimensions for the first thing is let's make the length first. From here to here. The length for the entire thing. Now click shift. Click this. This is the length. Now I will adjust the design later, so I will continue doing this. This is for the whole thing. Okay. Now we got one parameters done. Now the circles. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna click on here. Let's just bring this tool out so it's easier for us. I want to measure the diameter or the radius. Is up to you. This one. So just click on it. Do it again for this one. I should bring it out. Maybe, yeah. If you bring it out, just bring it out like this. Or you could bring it out for this one also. So it looks better. Now, what next do we have? We have this. The little thing over here. What we want to do is, we want to click on the radius for everything that has a radius. Or a diameter is fine. It's the same thing anyway. Continue doing this. Until you are done with everything, of course. I will just continue doing this also. If it's buggy, just keep on clicking on something until it doesn't bug out. Okay, here it is. Now, you can also create a zoom view. How do we do this? We make a zoom view, detail view here. We make an area we want to zoom in. I want to zoom in this hole over here. Oh, I need to click on the isometric view first. Okay, now I want to zoom in on the holes. Scale 1 to 2. Okay, now we have zoomed in on the holes. We just click on the same thing, the radius. We want to radius for this hole. Boop. Okay, we got it. Now, I want to make the length for this. The angle of this. Or the diameter of the tilt. Based on tilt. Based on diameters of the hole. And also the diameters of this thing over here. There's not much length here, I think. Also the diameter for this one over here. But it wouldn't click. But radius. Yep, the radius works. Also, make sure you create the length for this one. I think I got everything. Let me see. Oh, that one I haven't gotten yet. Definitely not. Radius, how about radius? It works. Okay, it works. The radius works. Nope, it doesn't work. I'll go on to try it until it works. That's how I would do it. I'll click on this one. It doesn't work. Try again. Try with radius this time. Okay, it works now. Okay. Now, everything is set. How do I want to create the what you call the backing or the title block. Go to views, drawing overview. We have everything set. and check everything. Now, we want to make sure first, before we create the drawing overview, that we have everything set with the errors. We select everything. We can select the font. We can select the size. And here's the important part. It's in inches, so we create the error in inch. See, everything is in inches. Now, the error is tolerance. Want to use inches tolerance, which is, oh, I need to select everything again. Here, inch ADMs, or I could just select inches. It's better. Okay, tolerance should be in, for if inch ISO with an error of 0.05 or 0.01. It's up to you, up to the instruction. Now you can see everything has the error created. Now just click off. Now go to create a title block. I will go to edit, sheet background. Go over here, this button over here. I will create a sheet background. Apply. Okay. As you can see, now you can name everything. I won't name it because it's a waste of time, but make sure you name every single thing here. And if it's stuck with the sheet background, you can move your elements. How do we go back there? We go back to edit and working views. Now you can go and move your elements around again. Oops, so it doesn't get stuck with the sheet background. Okay, we got everything in. Now we want to export it. Files, print. Microsoft print to PDF. Make sure it fits in page in a size of whatever size you want. Or you could just option. Make sure everything is set up. Page setup. You can change it to A3 ISO that we wanted. Want to fit in page. Apply. Save in download, name it. Name it anything you want. Go to files. You can see it's here. And everything is set. So that's it for the Catia's final. I hope you guys are ready for the finals, and good luck everyone. And I'll see you. If you have any questions, just text me or comment below. I will answer it either with a video sent to you or just send me a private message. I will send you a video also. Thank you. Bye bye.